Technically, you can use Speechify even without making an account, but by making an account, you make sure that even if you lose your phone, you still have access to your files. More importantly, if I make a file on my phone, I can still access it and continue reading from the same spot on my computer or my iPad or my Android device, which is really important. To make an account, go to the home screen in the bottom left corner, then click on Settings in the top right corner and click Sign Up. When you sign up, you can sign up with any email that you want. I'll sign up with some email and click Sign Up. I can also sign up with my Facebook account or my Google account. Great. Now that I have an account, it makes sure that my files are saved across all my devices, and if I lose my phone, I still have access to my files. We're super proud of the ridiculously high quality voices we're able to make at Speechify from our server. Each user gets about 500 HD words per day. If you want to learn how to subscribe to Speechify Premium and get access to more HD words per day, stick around and watch the next video.